हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू एक्सेलशियर एकेडमी। मैं हूं डॉक्टर रूबी सिंह। आज इस सीरीज ऑफ इंटरव्यूज में मैं एक ऐसे शख्स को बुलाना जा रही हूं जो अपने काफी लंबे गैप के बाद वापस आई हैं। हर नेम इज मिसेस राजल दावे। शी वाज वन ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स व्हेन आई वाज टीचिंग एट वन ऑफ द कोचिंग क्लासेस फॉर CSAR लाइफ साइंस नेट एग्जाम. So I met over there and I came to know that she actually is coming back after 7 years of gap after her MSc, and she wanted to be back in her career research field. So I interacted with her, supported her, and now she has joined after so much of struggle, maintaining her personal life, taking care of the family, kids, and everything. So now she is back on the track and actually has joined for her PhD at Bharati Vidyapeeth. So let's hear what she has to say and how was her experience and the final outcome, and like what kind of questions she was faced during her this journey. So let's hear what she has to say. Hi Rajal, how are you? कैसे हो?
I'm fine. How are you?
आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन. तो आपको पता है कि मैंने ये इंटरव्यू सीरीज चालू किए हैं ताकि बाकी के बच्चे थोड़े इंस्पायर हों और मोटिवेट हों, ताकि वो भी रिसर्च की दुनिया में एंट्री कर सकें. तो इसी के चलते
Yes.
मैं तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू लेना चाहती हूँ. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली एंड हु मोटिवेटेड यू टुवर्ड्स द रिसर्च फील्ड?
Uh, Research was my goal, but exactly my family first, and then again, of course, you.
थैंक यू.
Both are my inspiration and motivational to come back again and after in long such a break. So
So how long it is, like what is the gap years, how many after years you are coming back, how long it took?
it took like more than 7 years after completion of my masters. Actually, I've done masters in two, like MSc in medical microbiology and MSc in molecular microbiology. So after completion my MSc in 2013, it took almost 4 5 year of break.
Hmm.
So and after in 2017 I have joined as a scientific officer in hospital.
Okay.
So it's again long break.
हाँ. लाइक कैसे आपने अप्लाई किया? चलो, काफी लोग होते हैं जो एमएससी के बाद रिसर्च में नहीं जाना चाहते बट जॉब के लिए जाना चाहते हैं. तो जॉब के लिए कैसे अप्लाई किया, कैसे अप्रोच किया?
Uh, Job के लिए directly I have approached like in hospital. Same field was same my.
ओके.
So मैं directly जाकर वहाँ पे मेरा resume दिया कि I was interested like having a this type of experience. So they approved. They took some technical test from
हम्म.
me. So again I have just cracked my interview for the
हम्म.
job.
नाइस.
So finally, 4 and 5 year of gap, I was just started working as a scientific officer in hospital.
गुड गुड गुड. देन आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू डिड, लाइक हाउ यू एंटर्ड इनटू द रिसर्च फील्ड?
I have worked in hospital as a lab assistant, as a scientific officer in R&D, at least 2 year. In within 2 year, my so many opportunity came to my way when I was started to working uh, as a in like a corporate field. So after 2 year, I just one time I have just given the entrance examinations for the PhD. So I have a given exam in Feb. So after like 6 or 7 month, like I will know I was just lost all the hope. So around in November, I was just received mail from the university like you have a cleared our entrance examination for medical microbiology in PhD. So now we want to take your further face-to-face interview, and you just put forward like what's your thought, what you want to do research in Maine. So they just invited me for the face-to-face interview. So in 7 8 month, I just received the call from the university.
Nice, nice. So can you share with us what kind of PhD questions they have asked you during your interview?
Yeah, they ask normal questions like they just ask first my background, family background, and then what's experience is it's matter a lot. So
Hmm.
like they ask me like what kind of experience you have, particularly in research field.
Hmm.
So I will explain my research experience,
Hmm.
and then I will just prepared my presentation. What kind of research I wanted to do, so I will give you like a 10-15 minutes of presentation, and then they just ask me from my presentation like what kind of papers you have
Hmm.
just go through before your research. So it's again normal question, like not much stressed.
Good. So like, so finally you have joined the university. Can you share with us which
Yeah,
university you have joined?
I will join Bharti Vidyapeeth.
Nice.
Particularly, I'm working in Bharti Hospital, Bharti Medical College, as a medical microbiologist researcher.
Very good. So can you share about your topic also and like how far you have come to your research?
I took like I have searched so many topic, because as a in field of medical, my interest was there. I have to wanted to study in antibiotic.
Hmm.
So my topic is like a particular study of antibiotic resistance bacteria. So they just like some new therapy against
Hmm.
antibiotic. So I'm working on basically bacteriophage therapy against multi-drug resistance bacteria. So it's again like just started working on it, like a 5-6 months just passed on.
Okay. Nice. So one more thing I would like to ask, like coming after such a long gap, so like what kind of struggles do you face? Like how difficult it was for you to come back into the research?
It's like I will just started from very small, like I will just lost my all the expectations after masters. So like so many kind of struggles from family, from when will I approach this outsiders in a company. So many things I have to check from my side whether I can join or not.
Hmm.
Sometimes locations, and sometimes some issues from family, some my issues. So it's like a very small very few options I have
Hmm.
when I wanted to decide to do something.
Hmm.
So it's again like too much struggle I will pass it from my side. And again it's again like I will patient, I keep patient from my side, and I wanted to do something. So again inspiration and motivation was there, and I continuously contact on you also, like
Yes.
whenever I, yeah, whenever I wanted to join something, just I'll call you like what should I do, should I accept or not. So you guided me in such a like you are family member for me, I can say, like you are career mentor for me.
Thank you, Rajat. So finally you have joined the lab. So how's your mentor? Like, do you got the option to choose a mentor or it was like direct? Like
No, it
usually when
was
you
like
go for
direct.
PhD interviews, you actually get a
Yes,
chance also to choose your mentor. So in your case, how it
yes,
was?
it's a direct head of the department is there.
Hmm.
So only one option I at there.
Okay. So I think then you are the first student of that mentor.
Yeah, I am a first student who is pursuing PhD for main stream is like medical in microbiology.
Wow. I mean, it's then it means huge responsibility because you have to set up all the protocol for the future references, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So do you have to teach at the Bharati Vidyapeeth also, like along with your PhD work?
Yes, yet not full-fledged started, but having some responsibility is there. Kind of
Hmm.
like some practical I have to take at there
Hmm.
for MBBS and MD. It's not for MD, but MBBS I have to take some lectures or practical along
Okay.
with my PhD.
Nice, nice. I mean, so much of work to be done, right? So finally, how you're managing like your house, your family, and your PhD work, how you're able to manage?
I managed well. because like in previous I just make up my mind that next day I have to do this task. So at that time I already prepared myself
Hmm.
for the next day. So at that time I don't have much time to prepare myself, like what should I do. So it's like a day, a started day and then end in a very smoothly.
That's nice. So finally, it's all about the management a woman has to do, right? Managing the house also and work also. Nice.
Yeah.
So it was really nice, Rajal, talking to you. I just hope listening to you, many others, women who have left their career after their MSc, maybe they will also come back. So I just hope
Yeah,
and
just
wish them
like,
luck and all the best wishes to you also. Thanks for sharing your
thank
experiences with
you.
us.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So this was Mrs. Rajal Dave and उनका experience. So इसी तरह से मेरी यही कोशिश रहेगी कि with the help of these series of interviews कि जो कोई अपने किसी भी issues के वजह से अपनी पढ़ाई छोड़ चुके हैं and वापस career बनाना चाहते हैं, research में आना चाहते हैं, तो ये उनके लिए एक तरह का motivation रहे, inspiration रहे. किसी भी तरह की हेल्प चाहिए हो तो आई एम ऑलवेज देयर. यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी एट द गिवन मेल आईडी excelsior1228@gmail.com. या जॉब में कैसी भी तकलीफ हो तो आई एम देयर टू हेल्प यू गाइस. सो यहाँ पे सिर्फ यही एक मकसद है कि जो अपना करियर बीच में छोड़ चुके हैं वो अब वापस आने की कोशिश करें. कभी भी देरी नहीं हुई है और पीएचडी करने की कोई भी उम्र नहीं होती है. सो यू कैन स्टिल, there is time, you can still join. So if not eligible to write CSIR, but there are many other private universities and government colleges where you can still pursue your career and you can fulfill your dream. So keep watching. If any help is needed, please contact me. I'm there to help you guys. And please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates. Thank you.